What's up everyone, this is Shul aka AltCryptoGems, and today I've got an exciting video for you guys where I'll be talking about the Bitcoin market, explaining my target points, analyzing some charts and much more. Now before we start, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so already and leave a like on this video. Now one minor thing, follow me on Twitter, that's at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content to stay up to date and to follow a bit of my personal life. Let's get started with the video. So in this video, I'll be talking about a couple patterns, mostly analyzing some charts, showing you guys my target points, and obviously talking about the FUD and the SEC dump that's been happening recently. But first of all, let's talk about this one. Right now, what we are seeing is a cup and handle pattern forming. Over here, we can see the handle, and over here, we can see the cup. And the question is right now, where would we be going and what would happen with a cup and handle pattern? Now, I actually taken out an image for you guys. And as you can see, whenever you do have a cup and a handle pattern, once the price gets up to the breakout point where the cup has started, you usually see a pump happening next. So if we're looking at the cup and handle pattern right now, we are going in the downtrend with the handle, which is what's happening usually with a handle pattern. And after the end has been reached, we do see a move going upwards. Now, the question is right now, where will we be going, as there's no real indication with a cup and handle pattern what the price target would be. But that's where we're going to look at with support and resistance lines. So right now, I think the cup and handle pattern will be playing out. We'll probably go down a bit further even, as the handle, I think, is not completed yet. And once we have completed the handle, I see us going up again and hitting a potential target point. Now, another chart to watch is the 1-day chart right now. As especially looking at the time in the past, which is around May last year, we have set a support zone and sort of, as you can see here, a resistance zone. And the question is right now, where are we headed and where are we in the market currently? Now, if you ask me, as you can see, we are actually still in the same support zone as we've been since sort of May 2022. As you can see, we fell down. We've been trying to go up, which we hit a resistance over here. We've been consolidating ever since. And actually, in March of this year, we broke through the resistance. Now, the question is, are we going sideways like this and then either going down or up, which is obviously only time will tell. But something that is good to see right now is that we've been steadily on the support line that we have set since May 2022. So I think right now we'll be staying on this support line, hopefully for a bit, completing the handle, which we just talked about. And if we do, then I see us bouncing and actually going up to potential target points. Now, one thing we obviously need to talk about right now in this video is the SEC FUD part that's been happening. Now, I'm not sure if you've seen it, but the SEC from America has been giving some FUD lately, as mainly they've been sort of saying Binance US has been doing some stuff that we don't like, and CZ, the CEO of Binance, as well. So at around this time, which was the 5th of June, this news came out and people started panicking and started to sell quite a bit. Now, actually, the news was pretty bad, but not that many people thought it was serious. And then another FUD came out, and the SEC said that Coinbase has been doing the same stuff, and they've been doing some stuff that they don't like as well. So sort of having all this FUD together, we've been seeing us going down. Now, we actually went from 26.8 down towards 25.5, which is around 8% drop. And we've been there for 1 day, and after 1 day, we've already bounced from the support and gone back up. And as you can see, we were even at a higher price point than before the SEC FUD happening. So what does that say? Now, in all honesty, obviously, FUD is never great, and it's always sort of bad for global crypto adoption. But I do have to say, I've never been more bullish on crypto. If you're having the news that Binance is doing some illegal stuff, Coinbase is doing illegal stuff, we are dropping within minutes almost 8 to 10%. But if after 1 day we're already back up and we're sort of consolidating right now, then I think there's not that much to fear in the long term, which is important to remind. Short term, obviously, these things can either hit your stop losses or not. But for the long term, I do think we're still fine for Bitcoin. Now, finally, what are my target points and what are my stop losses? Now, before we get to that, let me just say one quick thing. If you're new to crypto and you want to start trading just like me, you want to open long or short positions, then my advice would be to go to Bybit. There's a link in the description below, as they right now are partnering up with me and they've got a up to 30,000 deposit bonuses. Once you do deposit a lot of money, you get these bonuses, but even having less money or depositing just 3K, you're getting $100 already. So like I said, click the link in the description, as they have some insane amount of bonuses right now. Now, like I said, looking at the final chart, which show my target points and my stop losses right now. Like I've been saying, we've been consolidating quite a bit, and we're currently sitting at 26.4K at the moment of this video. And I think we'll be consolidating a bit and then probably dropping down. Then I hope we will hold this support. This support will be around 25.8K. And if we do fail, then I see us dropping down even further towards the 24.6K. Now, my expectation is we'll be bouncing over here and then possibly hitting the first resistance at 27.4K. If we're able to break that, then I see us going up further. And then my next target point to watch would be 28.4, 28.5K. So the question then is, when would I be opening longs and when would I be opening shorts? Like I said, right now we're consolidating, and I think opening a short or a long position in this range or this zone is kind of dangerous. And the question either is, will we drop down? If we do, then I'd be open a long position on this support line if we bounce. But if we are going up towards the green line and we will then sort of have a slight dip, then I'll be opening a short position, as I think we then fall down. Now, if we have a confirmed breakout, so we enter here, but we actually go up, then I'd say change it to a long, because then this will be the point to short. So long story short, if we drop down and we bounce here, open a long. If we actually fall down even further, open a short until here. If we go up, then I'd say open a short here. Unless we have a breakout, then I'd say a long till here and then opening a short over here. That is the things that I'm going to be doing probably market. Now, that's it for today. Just a quick reminder, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so already and you want to see more of these type of videos. Leave a like as well, and I'll be posting these regularly in the near future. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to follow me on Twitter at AltCryptoGems. Thanks for watching.